battery left in it. Hey guys, welcome back to Evolving Mail on our edition of how to make a big giant mess underneath your Jeep. I'm not there right now. So, if any of you have the newer Jeeps, I know that this is a 2016 Willys JK, and I had a 2016 Rubicon before, and it was the same way. And my Gladiator's the same way, and a friend of mine's Jeep's the same way. And what I'm talking about is this freaking oil pan and its freaking drain plug. And if you've had any experience doing this yourself, you'll know that no wrench fits on this. I think it's supposed to be like a 13 millimeter or a ½ inch, but none of them work. You put it on there and it wiggles, and over time it chews it up. Well, the other day I was trying to do this. Let me take you around, and you'll see it's chewed up. Now that's chewed up from a Dremel. It's chewed up from multiple sockets I tried to knock on there, and it's also chewed up from a pipe wrench. Nothing would work. So what I did was, in true Jeep boy fashion, I gave up, and I went and ordered a new pan and gasket on Amazon. This one's got a bigger it's a bigger nut. It's like 17 or 3/4, but or 19 3/4 rather, or 17, whatever it is. It still doesn't fit. It's still kind of wishy-washy, but it's a little bit bigger, so it might do a little bit better. But we're going to go ahead and replace this pan because I can't get that off. Still got oil in it, so we're going to use some quick dry 1-minute RTV to help along with the seal. I'm going to move everything out of the way right now. There's some racket going on over there, so don't pay no attention. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to crack these loose, and these only get torqued down to like, I think it's like 90 something Newton foot inches, inch pounds. Sorry, foot inches. I just said that. Anyway, it's about 12 foot-pounds, and I don't have a torque wrench that goes down that low. It only goes to 20. So I'm just kind of taking note that it's just a barely snug kind of situation. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to loosen all of them up, and I'm going to try to loosen it up so this thing sort of pours out from the front. But what's probably going to happen is it is going to make a big friggin' mess. I'm going to have like oil all over me, and at least it'll make for a good TikTok after edit. So we'll try that. So there's a series of bolts up here, and they're all 10 millimeter. Some of them are a little different. There's 4 studs on the corners, or 3 studs. I think 3 studs. This one corner doesn't have studs. Torque wise, they don't feel any different. So I don't know why it's like that. Probably just a alignment thing for factory putting together, and it's a technical term. I've never done this before on a Jeep, and I'm on Jeep number, I don't know, 11. I think so. I'm gonna hope for the best. I actually do have some. We got some gloves on. I'm gonna go ahead and put these gloves on. Hopefully I don't lose any. It's always fun. You can't find stuff. This camera died. I had to put another battery in it. I'm a vlogger without a good battery. This is not good. Okay, right back.
This sucks because this ain't working like I wanted it to. Been a lot easier if I could have got the oil out of it first. I'd be less scared. Man, I've never had a pan come off this hard. There we go. Now we're getting it. Okay. So, after a bunch of pussy putting around, I finally got it. I didn't really want to make a mess. I'm going to go ahead and put this up. Okay, so there's the pan. Got it off. Okay, set that down there. Now, we're going to inspect all the stuff. Go ahead and wipe it down. It'll stop dripping on me somewhat. Alright, you gotta get it. Somewhere over here, I had a razor blade. Now I don't know where it's at. So we're going to take a razor blade. We're going to clean all this up. All this old gasket material. Or this RTV stuff that they use. Get this all off. It's going to take some time, but it's not that hard with the blade. So we're going to go ahead and move this oil out of the way. That out of the way. This out of the way. Wipe this down. Okay guys, now I got rid of my wife on the damn lawnmower. I've got some RT Permatex Right Stuff, and this is a fast curing hard to get open. This gasket stuff you can use in a minute. So pretty much right after you put it down, you can use it. So I'm going to just put a little bit around here. I'm going to put a little bit on here. I'm going to put the gasket on and put it up. So we're going to use both, this and a gasket. And maybe that's overkill, maybe that's wrong, but that's how I'm doing it. Okay, there. Put some on the pan. Okay. Put some more on there. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put the gasket. Just gonna put the gasket up here, I think. I can see the holes good. Right. Take the pan, turn it around so the drain plug is facing to the back. We got 2 pins here. Pins are on there. We'll start putting some screws in. Okay. Now I'm gonna start tightening from the inside out, so we don't pinch that gasket. Just running it kind of snug to start with. I think what I'm going to go do is look at my torque wrench real quick and make sure it only goes down to 20, but I'm pretty sure it does. Be right back. Okay guys, so my torque wrench only goes to 20, so we're just going to go and torque it down by hand how I put it on there originally, or how tight it was when I took it off. We're going to guesstimate it, so I'm just going to take it down. And if it starts to leak later, I'll just tweak them a little bit maybe. And again, I'm just guesstimating, I don't know. 20 pounds is awfully light. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna put oil in it and should be good to go. Clean up my RTV so I can maybe use it again. And that's it, guys. Thanks for checking me out. Please hit like and subscribe down below. I'm gonna go wash my arms and my body and my hair because I got oil all over my hair. I'm gonna put some oil in this first before I run it dry and kill it. Please hit like and subscribe down below. Feel free to message me, tell me what you think, tell me if I'm dumb, tell me if you like what I did. Hopefully I helped in one way or another. And also check me out on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at Evolving Mail, and you can hit me at email. And my email is evolving email. That's EVOLVINGEMAILE at gmail.com. And that's it, guys. Thanks for checking me out. I am the Evolving Mail. Peace out.